you're a beginner or you might have a little bit of experience with affiliate marketing. What's best? A high ticket affiliate program or low ticket affiliate program? I'm gonna break it down for you guys in this video, but first we gotta hit that intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way. This is Carlos, joining my journey in Digital Marketpreneur channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet again to another video. You are on Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And in this video, we're gonna talk about the affiliate marketing programs, high ticket and low ticket. But first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. But give me the thumbs up if you like this content on this channel. Share it if you know someone that wants to start their affiliate marketing journey. Follow me along. I want to help you guys quit your 9 to 5 and understand affiliate marketing for beginners. Also, I have said this in previous videos and I'm gonna say it again until the end of the year. If you guys help me reach 100 subscribers, I want to give away 2 books that changed my life, and they're gonna be the foundation for your online business: .com Secrets and Expert Secrets, because I believe that they're one of the best products out there to help you get started with affiliate marketing once you understand those concepts, and they changed my life. So I want to give them away. Hopefully by the end of 2019, when I reach 100 subscribers, I will be releasing my 100th video. And if I have reached 100 subscribers, I will explain right there how you guys can get a hand on those books that I purchased myself to give you for free as a giveaway. Okay, we're gonna jump in this topic, and I know there's a lot of opinions, and there's like, well, you need high ticket and you need low ticket. And I want to tell you these guys, for someone that in 2019 tried a lot of different things without not knowing exactly what I was doing, high ticket affiliate programs is a no-no for a beginner. I tell you why. First, you need to know exactly what you're doing. You need to know how do you put yourself out there. Yes, you hear people saying, well, you know what, you do the same effort by selling a small ticket affiliate affiliate products. Well, if you do the same effort, well, might as well just sell a high ticket affiliate program. The problem with a beginner is people don't know you, people don't trust you, you haven't created that relationship with your customer. So what are you gonna do if I come to you and I say, I have a mastermind that's $25,000 and you're gonna learn A to B, and you're gonna be like, well, what are your credentials for this mastermind? And it's $25,000. So you know what I'm trying to say? Like, I'm telling you, as a beginner, it's a lot harder for you to put yourself out there. You know, if you want to sell a product that is gonna give you $100 commission, especially if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't have an audience, you can go and purchase, you know, a lot of products. I'm gonna tell you, for example, ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is $97 a month. So you have to make the effort to learn the program yourself, to actually use it yourself. And that's why I'm telling you, the One Funnel Away Challenge changed my life, and it's $100, but I created a video where you can get it for half price. And the reason why I'm telling you that it's changing your life, because it changed mine. That's why I got to where I am right now. I understand all the concepts. I'm reworking my whole business again from scratch, but I already have a roadmap. And that's why I'm creating a course in 2020 that I'm gonna release to action takers. This is not just for anyone. I'm not gonna let just anyone into this course. I promise you, There's gotta be certain peaks and valleys that you need to get through before you actually finish, and I will know if you finish it or not. But I'm gonna explain this a lot more at the end of the year when I'm ready to release this. But I want you to know that when you don't know the steps, how to know what the market wants, know how you can resolve the problem, how you put yourself in a platform and deliver your concepts and help people understand why do they need that product in the first place, then high ticket or low ticket, it's a problem. So the best thing you can do for a beginner is like high ticket will be a lot harder for you to sell. Let's talk about those super affiliates that have, let's say 2,000 people on their email list, and they have been working on, having that email list, or those for, put it next to each other, those YouTubers that have 3,000 to 4,000 subscribers, and people trust them, and that's what they subscribe to their channels. That's what they give them their email. They're trustworthy people. So when they come to you and they say, well, I have a course that's gonna cost $1,000, they have put an offer that makes it an absolute no-brainer. But if you don't know how to put an offer together, then people are gonna be like, well, you're asking me to give you $1,000 for a course that is somebody else's course, but why am I gonna purchase it from you? And you're gonna be like, well, I don't know, I just figure I want to get the high commission. So if you actually start building a small audience, and then you come with a product that is like $50, and you know how to put that offer because you have learned how to put that offer, it will be a lot easier to sell that $50 product that is a $25 commission. And then you start learning the process, and at the end of the day is trial and error. And once you try a low ticket product, then you start making sales, putting that high ticket product in the same process. Once you have creating even more audience, is yet super easy because you know the steps you need to take. So am I against you trying a high ticket product? I will say no. I will tell you, okay, well, go for it. But if you don't find success, then you can't come back and say, well, this sucks, this is a scam, this doesn't work. If you haven't done the homework before, if you're not sure that your offer is good, that you're actually giving something that is a no-brainer to purchase from you, then I will say it's on you. And the high ticket commissions and the high ticket affiliate program is not for you. Start from the bottom. And I think that's the biggest problem that I see online. It's like everybody wants the Lamborghinis, everybody wants the mansions, everybody wants the big money, everybody wants to start making $10,000 a month tomorrow if they just started their business yesterday. That's not how this works. You can see it everywhere. Instagram influencers, YouTubers, they didn't go overnight and had 1,000 subscribers, 2,000, 5,000, 6,000. They put the work first. They did a lot of trial and error until they finally hit that one video, that one post on their Instagram, that one post on Facebook that went viral, and boom, they start creating that success, and it's a lot easier to sell products. So understand that part. Go with the low ticket, especially if you're just beginning and you're like, Carlos, I don't know where to start. Amazon affiliate is one of the best out there because they have a lot of low ticket products that, they will give you 50 cents, 60 cents, and you make all this effort, but then plugging in the other ones will be a lot easier once you have a process in place. So ultimately, it's your decision what products you want to promote, but if you're not finding success with the high ticket affiliate products, I think you might want to move to the lower ones and then start all over because you already know what steps you need to take. So I hope you guys get a lot of value out of this, that you have that aha moment and say, you know what, I'm just beginning, this is how I'm gonna start, these are the products that I'm gonna offer. I have just this many followers and whatever social media outlet you have, and then you gotta start scaling it little by little. Rome wasn't built in a day. Affiliate marketing business is not built in 2 weeks. It takes time, it takes a lot of work, a lot of trial and error. I hope that I can help you take every single step in that ladder until you actually just take off and create the success that you're looking for. So with that being said, guys, I hope that you find value in this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're brand new to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe. Also, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos. When I release them, help me get to 100 subs. I will appreciate it. And I have these 2 books that I want to give you away. With that being said, I will see you in the next one.